Hi there. Welcome to GS2 WebSauce blog by GSheetPress. Today, let's build a full blog website from a single Google Sheet. Step 1. Open a Google Sheet. Step 2. Go to Extensions, then GS2 WebSauce, then SheetBlog, and then New SheetBlog. Step 3. Name your blog, something like AI Tools Weekly. Step 4. GSheetPress instantly creates a ready-made SheetBlog sheet, complete with article columns and one example row. Step 5. Now edit that example row or add a new one. At minimum, fill in title, slug, category, excerpt, content, date, and status. Step 6. Set status to publish for any article ready to go live. Step 7. Go to Extensions, then GS2 WebSauce, then SheetBlog, and then Publish SheetBlog. Step 8. Open the SheetBlog link sheet to grab your homepage, RSS, sitemap, and admin links, all in one place. One quick reminder, always publish from the SheetBlog sheet itself. If another tab is selected, GSheetPress will ask you to pick the right one first. That's it, a live professional blog built entirely from a spreadsheet.